Welcome to Business Research Insights, your trusted partner for in-depth industry analysis and global market intelligence. Market overview, size and forecast. The global heavy trucks market is booming, valued at $300 billion in 24 and projected to hit $460 billion by 2033. That's a solid 4.9% CAGR growth rate. Industry momentum. This growth is fueled by rising logistics, demands, infrastructure upgrades, and industrial development around the globe. Innovation in focus. Key players are investing in smart materials, aerodynamic designs, and advanced driver assist systems, transforming trucks into innovation hubs on wheels. Smart technology integration. With IoT and predictive analytics, trucks are now capable of real-time performance, monitoring and preventive maintenance, boosting operational efficiency. Top player, Daimler Trucks, leading the pack. Daimler Trucks, Germany, with an impressive market value of $60 billion. Top player, Volvo Trucks, from Sweden. Volvo Trucks stands strong at $36 billion, driving sustainability and durability in the global market. Top player, PACCAR, representing the US. PACCAR accelerates performance and innovation with a market valuation of $30 billion. Top player, Scania. Sweden's Scania pushes boundaries in design and fuel efficiency, securing a $21 billion stake in the industry. Top player, MAN. Germany's MAN is making waves with robust engineering and holds a market share worth $10 billion. Emerging trends. Electric trucks. Innovations like the electric ARC Sport by ARC are reshaping the market, signaling a bold shift toward electrification. Sustainability spotlight. Green logistics is here. With electric trucks, carbon neutral goals, and government initiatives pushing sustainability forward. Global demand by sector. Heavy trucks are essential across e-commerce, mining, and infrastructure, meeting the evolving needs of a fast-paced economy. Market strategy and insights. Companies are focusing on R&D, diversification, and global outreach, unlocking new opportunities in untapped regions. Thanks for watching. For more industry insights, trends, and forecasts, follow our page, Business Research Insights. Stay ahead, stay informed.